Mark has volunteered since the beginning of the pandemic, contributing nearly 1,000 hours. Mark has become an integral part of the team with his helpful disposition and quick, keen ability to learn. The nominator said they nominate this individual because Mark has impressed so many people within the health board. He has now undertaken employment within support services, a true testament to the impression he has made within his time as a volunteer.
Lee has been volunteering with the Powers Castle Gardening Group for the last 2 years. Despite having had health issues, Lee quickly became an integral part of the group. When the leader position funding ended, she stepped in and took the group to an outstanding level. Her nominator said, Lee is also an excellent ambassador for other clients and members. She raises concerns, ideas and gives her opinion when consulted on plans, all of which is great to develop the work that we do.
Richard volunteers with Brecon and District Mind, creating a safe and welcoming space where members can build relationships. He provides fundamental support in many areas, as well as helping to run the SOBS, which is support for those affected by suicide. Richard is the most kind, hard-working and dedicated person you could meet, and he brings so much to our organisation for members, volunteers and staff, and always with a smile.